First, we're going to roll our oranges. Then we're going to squeeze the juice out. After that, we're going to peel them. I forgot to show that part, but we did peel the oranges and blended it all together because we did notice that just squeezing the oranges was not enough juice. After we blended the oranges, we did strain the pulp. I also forgot to film that part, and I do apologize. After we strained the orange juice, we went ahead and filled our shaker with ice. Then we poured the orange juice. Also added 2 shots of vodka. I used the Ciroc pineapple, but you can use any one you would like. After that, I added half a lemon. Then we shaked for about 20 seconds. I did put lemon and tajin on the rim of the cup, but you could put whatever you would like. I also put ice in the cup. Then I poured the orange juice. I went ahead and added tajin on top, but of course it is optional. I also showed you guys how you can make it look prettier by adding a lemon wedge. What I like to do is just put the lemon inside the cup, but it's completely up to you. So there you go. This is how I make my screwdrivers with homemade orange juice. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!